Thank you for joining me in my SAP S/4HANA training. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We will review customer down payment request, down payment, and related clearing of invoice with down payment. Let's start with down payment request in F-37. F-37. So we will put in a older date. Let's use April 8th and then copy that in the posting date. And the company code will be TUK2. That's my company code. Main currency is GBP. And let's choose a customer account. Make sure you put in your company code. Mine is TUK2. Click check or enter. And we will choose this one, Thomas London. I initially created for Acme. We'll choose this one as the last one. Then click new item. Oh, let's put a reference number. So down payment request. This will be my second. So and DB request two. Then click new item. Let's put in 250 GBP and let's put it in the due date tomorrow of that specific date. So let's put it on April 9. Okay. And the text, let's put in the down payment, down payment request. 002. I think that's it. Let's post this down payment request. It's yes, net due date is in the past. This is our testing. So let's just hit enter to confirm that. Okay. So this is our document number. We can display it immediately by going to the document menu and then click display. So this is our document. Document date is April 8th. This is due on April 9. Okay. Our amount is 250 GBP. So let's display this in the customer line item in your command field /O to open a new window and then FBL5N for the report. So our customer number, double check. Our customer number is here. Alternatively, we can search it. Make sure you have your company code. Click enter or the checkbox or check button. And we have this Tames. So it can be no, it's not an open item. No, it is. We can try to check if we can open that in open items. Now the type is note. This is just a note item. So let's execute. Okay, it's been displayed as outstanding. So this is our customer, Timeless Logistics Group. Document number. Our amount in local currency is 250 GBP, and US dollar it is 470 US dollar. Okay. So we are ready now to create a down payment, process a down payment. So from here, /n and go to T code F-29 and our document date is the next date, April 9. Let's copy that, paste it here, company code correct, current currency correct, account. Let's search for it. Company code is right to K2. Click check button and then select our customer, Thomas. Our special indicator is A, which is down payment. Okay. Double click or click check or hit enter. Let's fill in the bank details. So let's choose HSBC and the house bank is HSBC1. Okay, I double check that or click enter. So our amount is 250. Let's double check. Yes, 250 our down payment request. I say 250 GBP. So I put it in the amount. Let's check the account. Yes, okay, ZAB2. Sort by GL account number. And this is our bank account. Okay, everything looks good. Business area is not compulsory. Let's click on the request button. This one. That's a button at the top. And here we have our request that we have created earlier. Let's double check if it is the same. Yes, this is our document number. It's the same and it's dated April 9. Okay, okay. So let's highlight this and create down payment. So our reference number would be DPR DP 002. Next, down payment. This is post and then 002. Post customer down payment display. Okay, let's post it. And our transaction has been posted at this series, 13 series, and then one. Let's display our document through the document menu. Click display. So this is our transaction. Our debit is 40 and our credit is 19 posting keys. And this is our bank and this is our customer account. And we can also display it in general ledger view. You can see here our special indicator, A, for down payment. Okay, let's check it in our report. Let's go back to FBL5N and let's first check all this one and then for the noted items. Let's see our customer is correct. Okay, execute. And as you can see here, our down payment request has been cleared. So where will we have the details of the down payment? Okay, let's go back to see that. That's we will choose special GL transaction to show the down payment. And- Okay, so it's an open item in down payment. This is uh, customer 6 month. That's right. That's our transaction, and the amount is the same, 250. Okay. If you want to see it on the same report, this see the down payment request that has been cleared in the same report, just scroll down, click back and then scroll down and click on noted items and then execute. So as you can see here, this is our special GL transaction. And now this is our note and down payment request. Let's now create an invoice. So we'll go back to the other instance and create an invoice in FB70. So in your command field, type /n and FB70. Hit enter. So you can see our transaction is invoice, our customer. Click search. Make sure you have your own company code. Mine is TUK2, that's right. And I will choose Tamis, the same partner number. Okay, so invoice date, I'm going to date it on 10, April 10, and also posting date, I'm going to post it in April 10. I'll put the same amount, 250 GBP. Let's put that later. Let's click first the calculate tax. Now, as you can see, since we have chosen the customer, it sent an information that there is an existing down payment. Okay. So I've cleared that. So the calculate tax will automatically be encoded in the amount. Let's choose our revenue, which is 600,000. Okay. And then our amount is 250. And then to choose our tax, click the selection, and we will have this standard dot output. Now click enter. Okay, it's in the past. This is our testing. Enter the account assignment objects with revenue, through revenue. To do that, let's double click the GL account. So we'll go here in the line item view. So this is right, this is correct. And we will have our, instead of WBS, we'll do an order. It's put in our controlling area. Uh, this is not correct. ZTUS. And then let's use this one, the second one. Click check and then put in the text our down payment request. Okay, so let's go back. As you can see, the amount was calculated. Let's post our invoice, this our customer invoice. There's still an error. So there's a required field in line number 3. We can see that in the error log, and there's an error in item number 3, which is our output VAT. There's a required field there. So click on or double click on our line item VAT on the third line. And as you can see, the text is required. So let's put in here invoice for down payment. Okay. And then go back. And now we can post it. See. So our invoice has been posted in this 9 series with number 9, invoice number 9. So let's check it in our FBL5N report. Let's go back and then let's choose open item this time and remove special GL and noted items. Let's click on normal item as this is a normal item. And as we can see, our transaction has been posted in here. This one, the 250. Okay. If you wanted to check it side by side, let's click all and then click the special GL and then noted items and then execute. So we can see it, our invoice and then the down payment. And this is the down payment request, cleared down payment request. Now we are ready to create a down payment clearing. Let's go back to the other instance, the window instance, and in our command field, type in /n or new command, and then F-39. Okay, we are now here in the down payment clearing. We will use the same date as 10, okay, April 10. Posting date the same, April 10. The type and currency is correct. The customer account, I have clicked search, and our company code is right for the search, and then click continue. And we have this customer and partner number. Okay, double check and then double click or hit enter. And for the text, this is clear down payment number 2, clear DP number 2 for doc header, and then for reference, clear down payment CDP 002. Okay, let's double check. I think that's okay. Now process down payments. And as we can see, we have this our one transaction for down payment. And there's a open field transfer posting. So if you want to specify if you don't want to use the 250, all of the 250 GBP down payment for the invoice, you can just put in, for example, 100 GBP. Right now, we are going to use it all, so we can, if we put it blank, it means that all the available will be posted or transferred to the invoice. Select the line and then click post. This is the post. And our transaction has been posted. So let's review again in our report. Before we do that, you can check the document by clicking on the document menu. Click the document menu and click the display. So our transaction will be displayed. So right, we have the document date, reference correct, and this is our customer account. And A is the down payment, and 16 is clearing. Okay, so we can view it in general ledger view, and we have trade receivables here against our advances from customers down payment, which we have previously configured. Okay, we can check it also in our report in FBL 5N. Go back, and that's our customer number, company code, and let's click first the normal items and then execute. We are now choosing all items. Execute. So we can see here our down payment. Our transaction number is this one. Document number 12,000, 100,000 series and number 3. This is it. Negative 250. So we can see that it clears out our down payment. But both is on open item. We're now ready to create a clearing invoice with down payment. So we just created a down payment clearing. We can now clear the invoice. That will be in F-28. So let's go back to our other window. In the command field, type /n F-28, hit enter. And now our document date will be the same. Let's clear it on the same date, April 10. Copy that and posting date, same, April 10. Okay, this is correct. Type DZ. DZ is, oops, I click on search. There's a lot of this type, document types. Okay, let's see. I know we have created that. Let's just proceed. And now we are in invoice clearing. Let's use clear down payment, then clear down payment to, and then our house bank that we have chosen earlier is HSBC, and then house BK HBC1, and our account is the customer. That's my chart of accounts, the AB2. Click check or hit enter for the searching of the accounts, GL account. Sort by GL account number by clicking the column header and then choose our HSBC, this one, bank HSBC. Double click or click and then hit enter. Click, hit enter. And our amount is 250. And our open item selection account, that's our customer. So the company code, that's right. Let's search for it. Click checkbox or check button. And our customer is here, Thomas. Click or double click or hit enter. And then click process open items. Since there is another item to Let me see. No, let's go back. Yes, we've already create. We have already processed the amount, so we should put that in zero. So let me do that again. 10, and then reference stock, clear DP, clear down payment 2, and then the house bank, HSBC, HSBC1. The account is for the HSBC is here, the 130. We will not put an amount because we have already processed this bank amount earlier. We'll just put in the customer and click check, and then Thomas. Okay, and then hit process open items. Zero line will be ignored, so we can have that balance. Okay, assigned 120 to. So both are selected. We're only clearing the 120. Uh, I mean the 250. So double click here. So it will be unselected because the default is selected. And so the difference posting is now zero. Okay, that's how we do it because we have already have the 250 amount in our HSBC. We're just clearing it. So you don't have to, you should not put any amount there. So let's click post. Okay, our document was posted. You can see here it will be correct even if we didn't put an amount in our bank. So click back, or this is FBL5N. Okay, so customer account correct. TUK. Let's do all items. Let's include the special transactions and then execute. So this is a different transaction, the 120. All of our transactions are amounted to 250 GBP. So you can see here, I have selected the transaction with special indicator. They are all cleared now. So let's double check by clicking back and then remove the special GL transactions just to check that all our transactions related to the 100 to the 250 amount of GBPs has been cleared and no longer outstanding. Okay, so it's probably cleared. This is our transaction. See here. We can also check the details of our transaction by clicking document menu and then display in item menu. And this is our transaction, the GL transactions. And these are both customer transactions, debit and credit for the down payment. We have cleared the down payment. So if you want to check the GL ledger view, click the GL ledger view, and we have here the trade receivables, and both are trade receivables for debit and credit. That's why we have cleared here our transaction. Okay, so that's how we do down payment. We can also use this for reservations and also for hmm, earnest money. It's similar to reservations. Okay, that's it. Thank you.